Hi friends, this is Chavi, and in this session we will discuss some stock exchanges, major stock exchanges of India, that are BSE and NSE. If I talk about the stock exchanges, so what is a stock exchange? Stock exchange is an exchange where stock brokers and traders can buy or sell stocks and securities. If you have read about capital market, I think you know about shares, bond and debentures. These are some examples of securities. If I talk about the number of stock exchanges in India, how many stock exchanges are working in India? So there are around 22 stock exchange are working in India. Now let's discuss a major stock exchange of India, which is BSE. BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, which is an Indian stock exchange which was founded on 9th of July 1875 by an Indian businessman, a famous businessman, Mr. Premchand Roy Chand, an Indian businessman known as Cotton King. If I talk about present MD or CEO of BSE, so Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan is present CEO of BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. If I talk about the location or headquarter of Bombay Stock Exchange, so it is located at Dalal Street, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Friends, is very important because you will find the question like Dalal Street is associated with which of the following stock exchanges? Like Wall Street is associated with which of the following stock exchanges? So remember, you have to remember that Dalal Street is related to a famous stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange. If I talk about the number of companies which are listed in Bombay Stock Exchange, so you will find there are about, or you can say more than 5,000 companies are listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. If I talk about the name of indexes or name of indices of Bombay Stock Exchange, so you will find the BSE Sensex, BSE 500, BSE Small Cap, BSE Mid Cap. These are example of indices of Bombay Stock Exchange. If I talk about some special point of BSE, so first stock exchange of Asia, or you can say it is the oldest stock exchange of Asia. If I talk about the index Sensex, so it is an overall rise in the price of shares of a group of companies registered with BSE. Sensex include the 30 largest and most actively traded stocks on Bombay Stock Exchanges. You can say Sensex stands for sensitive index. Now the another stock exchange, major stock exchange of India is NSE. Here NSE is National Stock Exchange, which was founded in 1992. And if I talk about the headquarter of NSE, National Stock Exchange, so it is located again in Mumbai, Maharashtra. If I talk about the main points related to NSE, so NSE is the largest stock exchange in the country in terms of total daily turnover. NSE was the first demutualized electronic exchange in the country, and it was the first exchange in the country to provide a modern, fully automated, screen-based electronic trading system. And as of March 2016, National Stock Exchange NSE is the world's 12th largest stock exchange. Now, if I talk about index, like Sensex is an index of Bombay Stock Exchange. So here Nifty is an index of National Stock Exchange, and it is an index of 50 large companies on NSE of India. So Nifty is an indicator of all major companies about the stock values of NSE. If I talk about number of companies which are listed in NSE, so you will find more than 1600 companies are registered in NSE. Now, NSE has been established with a diversified shareholding comprising domestic as well as global investors. The key domestic investors include LIC of India, SBI State Bank of India, Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited, etc. So friends, it was a brief introduction of Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. I hope you enjoyed this session. Keep watching Adda247. Thank you.